Picture this for a second. You hear that engine scream before you even see the car. Heads turn instantly. Phones pop out like muscle memory. Hearts start pounding for no reason other than pure excitement. And then it slides into view, low to the ground, loud as hell, and absolutely unapologetic. A Lamborghini. Not just a car, but a walking, rolling statement. A straight-up flex on wheels. Today we're going all the way in on how Lamborghini is made. Not just out of metal, carbon fiber, and horsepower, but out of obsession, rebellion, ego, and a whole lot of Italian fire. Lock in, because by the end of this video, you're never going to look at a Lamborghini the same way again. Lamborghini was never meant to be polite. It wasn't designed to blend in, fit rules, or make anyone comfortable. From day one, it existed to shock people, to challenge the giants, and to disrespect the status quo in the loudest way possible. Every Lamborghini you see today traces back to one man who got tired of being told, no. Ferruccio Lamborghini didn't start with supercars. He started with tractors. Yeah, tractors. Big, loud, heavy-duty farming machines. The crazy part is he was already rich, already winning at life. But he loved fast cars. He owned Ferraris, and the story goes that he wasn't impressed. He complained about issues. Enzo Ferrari brushed him off like he was nobody, and that disrespect lit a fire. Instead of backing down, Ferruccio basically said, cool, I'll build something better. And that's how Lamborghini was born, out of pure pride, raw ambition, and a little bit of spite. Fast forward to today, and that same energy still runs through every single Lamborghini. These cars are built in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, and this isn't some soulless factory cranking out boring vehicles. This place feels like a mix between a high-tech lab, an art studio, and a race team headquarters. Everything here is intentional. Nothing is random. Every Lamborghini starts as an idea that's meant to turn heads and raise eyebrows. It all begins with design. And Lamborghini designers don't play it safe. They're not asking if something is too aggressive. They're asking if it's aggressive enough. Sharp lines, insane angles, low profiles that look like the car is ready to attack even when parked. A Lamborghini doesn't look friendly. It looks dangerous. The inspiration comes from fighter jets, aerospace tech, and pure adrenaline. This is why Lamborghinis look like they came from the future, not the past. Once the design is locked in, engineering takes over. And this is where things get serious. Lamborghini engines aren't mass-produced like regular cars. They're hand-built.
Each V10 or V12
engine is assembled by a dedicated technician who knows that engine inside and out. One engine, one builder. That's not a slogan, that's real life. These engines are tested, tuned, and perfected before they ever touch a car. When a Lamborghini engine fires up for the first time, it's not just sound. It's a personality being born. Materials play a massive role in how Lamborghini is made. Carbon fiber is a huge deal here. Lamborghini didn't just use carbon fiber. They pushed it to another level. Lightweight, insanely strong, and ridiculously expensive. The goal is simple. Make the car as light as possible without sacrificing strength or safety. That's how Lamborghinis hit crazy speeds while staying glued to the road. Aluminum, titanium, and advanced composites are all carefully chosen for performance, not convenience. The body assembly is where the Lamborghini starts to look alive. Panels are fitted with insane precision. We're talking microscopic measurements. Every gap, every edge, every surface gets checked again and again. Nothing moves forward unless it's perfect. This isn't about speed of production. This is about perfection. Lamborghini would rather slow down than mess up. Then comes the paint process. And this is where personality really kicks in. Lamborghini offers a wild range of colors, from iconic yellows and greens to deep blacks, metallic blues, and custom shades that look unreal in sunlight. Some customers even design one-of-one colors that only exist on their car. If you want a Lamborghini that no one else on earth has, they'll make it happen. That's how personal this gets. Inside the cabin, the vibe completely changes but still screams Lamborghini. This isn't luxury like a boring luxury sedan. This is fighter jet luxury. Hand-stitched leather, premium Alcantara, carbon fiber details everywhere. Every button feels solid and mechanical. And that iconic flip-up start button? That's not just design. That's a ritual. You flip it up, press start, and the beast wakes up behind you. It's a moment every single time. Modern Lamborghinis are packed with advanced technology, but here's the thing. Lamborghini never lets tech kill the soul. You still feel the road. You still hear the engine screaming right behind your head. Drive modes completely change the car's personality. From smooth cruising to full savage mode, traction control, suspension systems, and steering are all tuned for performance first. Comfort comes second, always. Quality control at Lamborghini is intense. Every car goes through multiple inspections. Engines are run, electronics are scanned, suspensions are tested, and human eyes check everything. If something feels off, it gets fixed. No shortcuts, no excuses. A Lamborghini leaving the factory has to be flawless because the world expects nothing less. Every Lamborghini is test-driven before delivery. Professional drivers take it out, push it, listen to it, feel it. If the car doesn't feel right, it goes back inside. Lamborghini isn't just building cars, they're building experiences. They want every owner to feel that rush the moment they touch the throttle. Customization is another huge part of how Lamborghini is made. Buyers can personalize almost everything. Interior colors, stitching, seat designs, wheels, brake calipers, carbon fiber packages, badges, even tiny details most people would never notice. Lamborghini owners don't want a car, they want their car. Something that reflects who they are. The engine sound is carefully engineered too. Lamborghini is one of the last brands holding on to naturally aspirated engines. No turbos killing the sound, just pure high-revving madness. When a Lamborghini screams, that's not noise, that's music. That sound is tuned to hit your chest and stay in your head. Transmission. Systems are designed for brutal performance. Shifts are lightning fast. Response is instant, whether it's all-wheel drive for insane grip or rear-wheel drive for controlled chaos. Lamborghinis are built to dominate the road and the track. These cars demand respect. You don't casually drive a Lamborghini. You experience it. Even sustainability is becoming part of the process. But Lamborghini is doing it their way. Hybrid technology is being introduced. Cleaner production methods are being used. But the soul stays savage. Lamborghini isn't going soft. They're evolving while staying wild. What truly separates Lamborghini from everyone else is attitude. Other brands talk about comfort, practicality, and efficiency. Lamborghini talks about emotion. Every model is a statement. From the Aventador to the Huracan to the Revuelto, each one pushes limits and breaks rules. They're not trying to be sensible. They're trying to be unforgettable. When a Lamborghini is finally finished, it's not just shipped like a normal car. It's delivered like a masterpiece. Some buyers fly to Italy just to pick up their car directly from the factory. Imagine that moment. Standing there, seeing your Lamborghini waiting for you. That's not a purchase. That's a life moment. So when someone asks, how is Lamborghini made? The real answer is this. It's made with obsession, pride, precision, and a refusal to be normal. It's built by people who love speed, sound, and standing out. It's designed to be loud, fast, and impossible to ignore. Every Lamborghini on the road is proof that sometimes doing things the crazy way is the right way. That when someone doubts you, you don't argue. You build something so powerful it speaks for itself. That's Lamborghini. That's the mindset. That's the madness. If you felt this story, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane car content, and drop a comment telling us your dream Lamborghini. Until next time, stay hungry, stay loud, and never be afraid to floor it.